All right, so Gemma 4 is of course available right now. So I'll be just showing you how you can get started with it. Open your Play Store in Android phone and look for Google AI Edge Gallery. So this is the Google AI Edge Gallery. You are going to simply install this Google AI Edge Gallery. This is one of the AI galleries provided by Google, and you can run these models directly on your phone without needing the internet. Of course, these are local for your phone. So accept and continue the license and just open Google AI Edge. Enable the notification. So you can see here there are a variety of models available, and the model which I'm going to talk about is Gemma 4. This is right now available, of course, for free. You can read more about it, what is available and what is not. So there is a lot that can be done with this model, and this is for image and text both. So how we are going to start, we will just tap on AI chat, and you can see here Gemma 4 2BE EV2 is available. So it is 2.5 GB, and of course there are other models also which are available, and this one is the best overall. You can see on top it is mentioned. It will also not consume much storage, which is 2.5 GB. So we'll be simply installing this. Of course, you can go for other models also. These are all other previous models, but this specific model is available that you can directly, of course, install it on your phone. And other than this, you can, of course, go with the DeepSeek as well. Qwen 2.5 is also available. Qwen is also 3.6 plus is right now available by China, in fact, Alibaba. So that model is also available. So you can add this model also. You can also install DeepSeek R1, and it will be directly running on your phone. So one of the ways is this. Of course, there is API documentation available. You can go with the example code and all of that. So on device large language model is available. So those who are developers, of course, they will understand what the API documentation can be used. So we can try it now, and you can see here it is initializing the model. And if I simply even turn off the Wi-Fi, so still it's gonna work. So I will just ask hi. So it is gonna give me the details. You can see here right now I'm using Samsung Galaxy S25, so it is working fine here, and its performance is great actually. So give me detailed instructions to set up an IDE on PC. So you can see here that it is generating the response fast as compared to the online models. You can see right now there is no internet, 4G or Wi-Fi is disabled. So this is on your phone using the GPU, and it is working fine. So this is something great which is provided by Google, and it has gained good popularity. So this was all about using it. So it's easy and fast, and of course data remains in your phone. So this is something great. So of course you can explore more about it. So all the details are here. You can also go to settings and of course clear the chat and all of that, that is there. But there is something that you can use to control your or manage your device also. You can see your mobile actions. So this is something which is experimental, but this is gonna really be helpful. So I will be installing this also. It is not consuming more space. It is 27 MB. So I will be just turning on the Wi-Fi and installing this particular model also. It is fine-tuned functions Gemma or Gemma 270 million models for mobile actions. So we will be just downloading this, and you can explore it. I will be covering a lot about this in my upcoming videos.